Good morning, everybody. Out here with Trash Panda's Wildlife Removal again, and we'll come down here and do some track checking today. We'll go check that one here in a minute. We'll go down here to the tried and true little bike trail, and let's see what we got down here today. Nice cool morning. It ain't too hot. I think we're finally starting to get a handle on everything, because it's been about a week since I caught anything. A couple squirrels here and there, nothing major. We're gonna step down here to the old honey hole trap, and you can see it in the camera there. It's still set. Nothing in there. Still set. Nothing in that one. And that's kind of hard to see, but you look right over there, you can see my other trap right there. And I put my little bag up in the tree there so I could tell where it was. But it's pretty empty. This one's pretty empty. So we gonna pull the trail camera right here that's in front of the trap and see what kind of pictures and stuff we got on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that pulled real quick and move all these spider webs and stuff out of my way. They don't really give you a lot of room to work with these things sometimes. So we're gonna pull that and take that back home with us. So nothing in those two. Got the old SD card there. We're gonna take it up to the house here in a little while. Get it checked out. I don't have anything set down in there no more. Pulled them because this ain't been catching nothing. Now we're gonna come around over here. We're gonna go check the one over here in the hole. Going back to where it all began. Set the trap over here. First time we come out here and set some traps for these coons and stuff. And we actually caught one first night we was out here. That's been a while back. And I don't know if you can see that in there, but we got us something. Old Trash Panda down there curled up sleeping. So he's gonna be very angry here in a minute when I pick him up and take him out here. You can see where he dug all the dirt in on both sides there. He's still sleeping. So we're gonna get him up to the house and I'll get y'all some more pictures and stuff up there. But y'all have a good morning. Stay cool out there in this hot weather, and I'll get back to y'all later on.